A domestic flight in Mexico was delayed by almost 3 hours after a swarm of mosquitoes invaded the plane, forcing crew members to spray insect repellent inside the aircraft cabin.
멕시코의 한 국내선 항공기에 모기떼가 침입해 승무원들이 기내 방충제를 뿌려야 하는 상황이 이어지면서 해당 여객기의 운항이 3시간 가까이 지연되는 일이 발생했습니다. Now, we've heard many stories of delays, but mosquitoes being the culprit, that's new.
And how much is a swarm of mosquitoes if you can actually see the mosquitoes and you have to actually be delayed by 3 hours?
사진을 보니까 이게 뭔가 좀 뿌예가지고 화질이 그렇게 좋진 않았거든요. 그래서 뿌예서 그냥 봤을 때는 아 여기 가운데 뭐 묻었나? 그렇게 생각할 수 있지만 그게 아니라 모기떼가 이렇게 굉장히 많아가지고요.
Wow.
약간의 이런 회색 안개 같은 게 좀 만들어졌더라고요. 굉장히 많았습니다.
Be eaten alive.
그러게요.
You and I would not survive.
Exactly. 자,
Yes.
So this was which airlines?
Yeah, the Volaris Airlines. The plane was about to depart from Guadalajara to Mexico City when this infection or the swarm of mosquitoes made its way into the cabin. So this was a video shot by a passenger, and the passenger actually shows the flight attendants walking up and down with the insect repellent, spraying the cabin, and they say that it's not the first time that this has happened.
Oh, I see.
Because the Guadalajara International Airport says that it always rests on stagnant water, and that is where lots of mosquitoes usually lay their eggs.
So the airport itself
Yes.
is surrounded by that sort of land there.
That's
we can
right.
assume. 자, 그래요. 그 지역 자체가 이렇게 모기떼들이 많이 서식하는 지역이다 보니까 또 이런 일이 발생했네요. Stagnant water 그러면 가만히 있는 고인물을 말하고 있습니다. 자, 표현 보겠습니다. A swarm of something.
Yes, a swarm of something means that it's kind of like a herd of something, a large group of usually living creatures. So it's used to depict a large group of animals or insects, birds, but it could be used for people as well. And it could also be used on social media when you have a massive surge of attention. Also, when you have an overwhelming surge of emotions or thoughts, then you can also use that as well.
A swarm of something. 만약에 이게 벌레나 동물이나 뭐 모기나 이런 거일 때는 무엇떼가 되겠고요. 벌떼처럼 a swarm of bees.
Yes.
사람한테 썼을 때는 무리가 되겠죠. 굉장히 많은 사람들. 아니면 지금 말한 것처럼 a surge of emotions. 감정에도 쓸 수 있겠군요. Give us an example sentence.
A swarm of tourists were taking photos in front of the Mona Lisa.
모나리사 사진을 찍기 위해서 많은 관광객들이 몰려들었다. 이런 느낌이네요. 자, 그리고 insect repellent.
Yes, this is something to keep in handy when you have a swarm of mosquitoes. It's what kills insects.
Yeah.
What keeps them off.
repellent라는 것 자체가 이게 퇴치하기 위한 것을 말하잖아요.
That's
그래서
right.
무언가를 멀리 떨어지게 하는 것. insect repellent는 그래서 방충제가 되겠습니다. All right. Well, here it is one more time. A domestic flight in Mexico was delayed by almost 3 hours after a swarm of mosquitoes invaded the plane, forcing crew members to spray insect repellent inside the aircraft cabin. 자, 지금까지 뉴스카스트 조주연과 함께 오늘의 헤드라인스 살펴봤습니다.